Hi, Fasil here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for the support for the earlier for videos and subscribes. Thank you so much. And today I am going to introduce some stock and become how to become a millionaire. See, everyone is ambitions to become a millionaire. Every person to ambition is to become a millionaire. It's like a multi-millionaire. So I use my technical analysis and some research, some more analysis, and then I found out some stocks around almost 6 stocks to result become a millionaire. And we have the question how to invest that stocks, what time to invest, how much you will invest. Everyone, I just prepare the presentations of that videos, some stocks. I'll go to that videos. Before I will go the videos, I will tell something about how much you will invest. Every month, 8,500 rupees to invest to become a millionaire. 8,500 rupees to 120 months. So your investment only more than 1 million. And the stock profit you will get become multi-millionaire. This is everybody can possible. This is called systematic investment. Systematic investment plan. Let's go for the presentation. How will invest, which stock will invest, everything. We will go for the presentation. So I made the presentation. So this is called multi-bagger SIP list. It's like a millionaire SIP list. Okay, we'll go through the video. So how to become multi-millionaire. So every month, suppose for example, every month, in the month of March, for example, suppose for example, last expiry is 25. Last expiry is, everyone knows, is like a Thursday. So after Thursday, the next day is Friday. Okay. After that, Saturday and Sunday is off. So Monday is resuming the market. So Friday evening around 3:20 time, 3 p.m. 20 means that time we will invest 8,500 rupees to our stock. This 8,500 rupees how will invest? How many months? It's like 120 months. See, 120 months into 8,500 rupees is already 1 million. Your investment only, your capital is only a 1 million already. And this 8,500 rupees how will invest to the stocks, which stock will invest. Okay, the next part, I made the SIP list of 6 stocks. Okay, first is Virtus, second DFM Foods, third Adani Ports, Happy Smiles, HDFC Life, Mega Money. We have 8,500 rupees. You are going to invest in the after expiry day. The next day is Friday. Suppose 8,500 rupees. Okay. What is the value of Virtus? Virtus is around now is 280. DFM Food is 361. Adani Port is 720. Happy Mind is 600, more than 620. HDFC Life almost 700. Mega Money is coming 115. Around that, like so. How will you invest? We have 8,500 rupees. You have to divide with this all stock. 8,500 rupees divided by these stocks. Suppose you can buy maybe 10 stocks of Virtus. It's like almost 2,500. And DFM Food, you can buy 5 stock. So it's total is 4,000. So this is also 2,000. You can buy 6. And this is 1007, and this is also 1000. One stock you can buy, and Mega Money is like 1 or 2 you can buy. It's total is 8,500. So as up to you what is the calculations, and total rupees is 8,500 rupees you can invest. Okay, just go for the next step for the details of these stocks. See, if I used to go into the Virtus, this is an advertising technology company, and the business is the digitalizations of the world. It's an advertising technical company. So this is a chart. We are going to look at the chart. See how is starting from the 62 is coming to 280 levels, and the support is 260 is a good support, and 220 is a good support, and 180 is a good support. Now the price is 285. Okay, and the founder and chairman is the Hiren Shah, and market capitalization is 341 crore, and now the price is 285. And there is no foreign promoters, but the Indian promoter is almost more than 56. There is no foreign promoter. My capacity is going to be around 1,000 sold, maybe 6 months or 7 months. Okay, so you have to invest. Your money is 8,500 in your hands. You have to invest some money in this stock, Vertos. And next one is DFM Food. It's a business manufacturing, selling and market packaged snacks food. It's more than over 25 years. Once you go for the chart, see this is good support is 160 levels, and 300 level also is a good support. Now the price is going to 361. CMB's current market price is 361. The details of DFM Food is chairman is Hemant Shurka. Market capitalization is 1,800 crore. There is no Indian promoters, no, but it's very good for the foreign promoters is 73% for foreign promoters. Okay, so you have to invest in. You have to. Our hand is 8,500. So you have to invest this stock. Maybe 2-3 you can buy 2,000 rupees like that. Maybe 2,000 rupees you can buy 4 stock or 3 stock. Okay. So the next is got Adani Port and Logistics. So everybody knows all the port is more than 45 years, 40 years. They taken the Adani company. This Adani Port is a special economic zone limited, the largest commercial port operator in India and the biggest cargo movement in the country. And the current market price is 736. And the biggest support is 200 is the support, and 500 another support, and 600 is another support. So you have to invest some amounts also. Chairman is Gautam Adani and market capitalization is 149 587 crore, and CMB is 730 and Indian promoter is 46% and foreign promoter 17% foreign promoters. Okay, and next one is Happy Smiles. Happy Smiles recently is launched the IPO, and it's like a IT consulting and service company. And last 2 days is a very fantastic rally about the Happy Swings around 120 points. And we'll go for the chart to see the last day is 540 to more than 600, and tomorrow is next Monday is the gap up sure. And the 400 level is the biggest support, and 300 also there is a support. And the market capitalization is 8,725 crore, and there is no foreign promoters, only for Indian promoters, and founder is Ashok Sota. Okay, so we have to invest this amounts to Happy Smile also. And next we'll go through the HDFC Life, and you know that one is a housing finance situation, and Standard Life Aberdeen Global Investment Company. Basically, it's like HDFC like it's like a multi-bagger stock. Is around, I think it's going to around 3,000 levels, but most of the time is the consolidation times. Consolidation time is 650 to 725 is the consolidation. It's a long time they are doing the consolidation this life. And the biggest support is called 350 to 375 is the biggest support, and 500 also there is a support. 500 to 600 there is a good support, and the CMB is 691. Like market capitalization is very big market capitalization, 139 crore market capitalization, and there is a foreign promoters more than 8%, and Indian promoters also 50%, almost 50% Indian promoters. So we'll go for next one is Megamani. It's like Megamani Organics Limited. It's a large pigment and pesticide product of the country, and it's received several prestige awards recognized for outstanding business performance. We'll go for the Megamani. I was actually last October or August. Last August, I suggested it's a 30 level from our group. Kerala Ohirivani groups is suggested from 30 levels. Now is jumped to 120 is the triple times, and 120 levels is already came. So the market, the biggest support is 80 to 90 level is the biggest support, and 50 also the biggest support is there. Chairman is Patel, Jayant Patel, market 3,021 crores, and there is no foreign promoters, but the Indian promoters is 51.52%. So we have to invest these all stocks into 8,500 rupees. This all stock divided by per month. Every month we need to invest. So our investment is coming 120 months. It's like almost 10 years. So 8,500 rupees is coming 1 million already. So you'll become a millionaire after 10 years. It's not lovely that this is your capital only for 1 million, and this stocks movement is more. After 10 years, everybody knows it will go very high level, all the stocks. Suppose if you are reaching is before 10 years, then you will just book the profit, and once you become more millionaire, then once you become more than the millionaire, then the multi-millionaire, then book the profit. I will update soon everything. So this is the investments, this is my ideas I started from the last months, and I got a good profit of the Virtus. I just entered from 250 level, and I DFM food also I entered from 340 level, and next is Adani Port I entered from 699 level, and next is Happy's Mind I entered 520 level. HDFC Life is 680 levels I entered, it's almost same cost, and Megaman is fantastic, I entered so 85 level. So the market is going up or going down, we don't care that one. So you have to invest the systematic plan for every month. So everything understand, any points, any doubts, you can put a comments. I'll explain everything. And once again, thank you very much. Thanks for supporting videos.